COVID-19 sucks. Pandemic sucks. Maybe you agree with me because you've been working from home and your privacy has been taken away from you. All the things that you used to enjoy when you're working from the office has now been taken away from you. But hey, it doesn't have to be all doom and gloom because there is a silver lining behind working from home. You're probably already enjoying the perks and the benefits of working from home. Some of the obvious ones including you are saving all those wasted time from commuting and being trapped endlessly for a number of hours on the road. Some of these benefits you might already be familiar with, such as you realize you've been wearing the same sweatshirt for the past 3 days. And you only realized it after a coworker pointed it out to you. Because office dress code could be as casual as it gets in the living room. Or you realize that it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon and you haven't brushed your teeth yet. Thank God for technology. Because of Zoom, whoever is on the other side didn't get to smell your breath. Now only you know the truth. Or for a teleconference call, you are all dressed up nicely at the top with this shirt when you are wearing a pajama pants at the bottom. Or you realize that it's been 4 days since you have met a living human being or you have stepped out of a house at all. So while having all these perks and benefits of working from home, there are certain things that you need to do in order to keep yourself disciplined so that you do not cross the boundary between work and home. Because sometimes the line could be blurred between the two. So here are some of the top tips that will help you to not only cross things off your to-do list and to keep you as productive as possible in getting your most important works done, but also to help you maintain that elusive work-life balance. Here's the first one. You want to set a clear boundary between work and home. Because sometimes it's so easy for you to forget that while you're working from home, you are essentially still checking into your office. And not having a clear boundary could be very easily the number one major source of distraction. Because the phone calls could ring, and that TV sitcoms could look so tempting and alluring, and you might succumb to temptations to pick up that phone calls that will go on and on and on, or you'll be spending hours watching your TV shows and not getting actual work done. So having a clear boundary is very important. So this is where you need to actually inform your friends, family members, or anyone at home that while you are working from home, you are actually checking into your office. The second thing that you want to do is to actually designate a certain work area. I am currently in my balcony. If that works out for you, fine, do that. But it can basically be anywhere in your house. Now, you do not want to carry your laptop around and just work from anywhere. And one very dangerous place to work from is where you actually work from your bed and conveniently justifying it as you are having a better leg circulation. So that could be a very dangerous place to be because it would set you in this lazy mode. And before you know it, you are snoozing away. So you need to actually have a designated work area, and wherever it is, it could be in the kitchen, in your living room, in your balcony, like this. You will put yourself in that frame of mind that you are actually at work. And it will also give you this boundary that you will continue to work while you are at that designated area until you finish the task. And when you leave your workplace, you are done with that work for the day. So that is very important for you to have that boundary and that designated area. The next tip I can share with you is to utilize your bonus time. Since you do not need to commute to work, there is a lot of time that you have saved up, and those extra time could be put to better use. You can use that time to exercise, listen to motivational podcasts, or even just do a little bit of work to ease yourself into the workflow of the day. Next thing you can do is change out of your pajamas into a work-ready attire. Now, how you dress will actually affect the way you feel about yourself. Dressing in the same clothes that you slept in could actually put you in that lazy state of mind. Because subconsciously, you have not crossed that boundary from your normal life to work. So change into your work attire, put on that makeup, comb your hair, or do whatever you normally do before you get to work. That simple action will actually increase your productivity and put you in the mood to get started working right away. Next thing you can do while you're working from home is to actually take regular breaks. Now, don't fool yourself thinking that you need to work yourself into the day. Because if you do not give yourself that break that you so desperately need, your brain will be screaming for it. And because of that, that is going to lower down your productivity. So do not work for more than 75 or 90-minute interval before you take a break. Because taking regular breaks will allow you to consolidate on the things that you've been focusing on for the past 1 hour or so. And it will actually help you to improve your cognitive thinking ability. The last tip I have for you is to designate a time to decompress at the end of the day. So you've been working very hard for the whole day. You're focused on your work, you've been disciplined, and you've been depriving yourself from all those social media distractions. You've come to the end of the day, you deserve to decompress. So now you can actually look at all your news feed and scroll and comment and like to your reckless abandon. So there you have it. Those are some of the tips to keep you productive and to actually help you to stay sane with this new normal. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have found value in it and you have not already done so, I'm watching you. Do hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel so that you can be receiving more videos just like this. And hey, I know that it's not easy, but with a little bit of intention and mindfulness throughout the day, you can create that productive and healthy balance between work and life. But don't be so hard on yourself. Have extra grace on yourself. Remember, we are all in this together. So stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.